There folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. So big welcome to the video. So it's the 14th of March 2018. I just want to go over a couple of trades that happened yesterday that I took on the live stream. It was on the British Pound Aussie, and you can see we had a massive rally up yesterday that we talked about was going to happen up to this area here. Now you can just head over to my YouTube channel and watch yesterday's video. And you can see we entered the trade down here, and it was a nice 140 pips target. And we took it based on the 4-hour chart, the price action. Okay. So we did in here and popped up there, and you can see the actual signal on the 1-hour chart here yesterday. This was the signal we took yesterday, and let's say 100 to 150 pips, easy trade. Euro Aussie was a similar story. If you watch the video, I talked about it hitting this area here. Yesterday's video, we talked about this here signal here. I think it was in the 1-hour chart. Yeah, down here yesterday. We got in down here. Sorry, here. This was yesterday, this is today. And the target was, see, it popped up nicely, 100 pips. So that was the two trades we took yesterday. Longer term, both hit our targets during the day, both on the Euro Aussie and the Euro Aussie and the British Pound Aussie. Another trade we're still in is this trade here from last week on the British Pound, the Euro British Pound. We took the sell order up here for our target down here. So looking good so far. Just wanted to post that video just to update on yesterday's trade results. Very nice. And any questions, don't forget to get in contact with me over at will@xaus.com. If you want to check out my new powerful price action course over at Udemy, you can. It's well on its way to becoming a bestseller, and you can try it free for 30 days. Well, risk-free for 30 days. Just by following the link below in the description area. So looking forward to hearing your comments, and I'll speak to you soon. will@xaus.com.